40% don't test their plan, right? I believe that that's much higher because folks don't really test their DR plans. They prepare to test their DR plans. So it's they're cheating from day one when they cut a special tape for that DR test, or they pre-plan or pre-network or have everything kind of set up beforehand before they even do the test. This is just the 40% that don't even take the time to walk out of the door and do it. So I argue that that's actually much higher because the people are cheating when they're doing their test. Smartest customers that I dealt with only a few people in the organization knew what was going to happen, and at 4, 5, 6 a.m. they made the phone call and they said, this is it. Our building's out, chemical spill, it's closed up, what do we do?
So how does it help? You guys have already mentioned a few things that, the online backups, the ability to get to that data a little bit quicker. You don't have to fly the guy down, actually grab the tapes and fly out of there. So what we're going to do is just a quick data point here. So Gartner they came out this year and said 2014, 2 years from now, so you think about your 18 to 24 month plan year, 30% of the SME, the small and mid-sized enterprises, they're going to have that adoption in the cloud for operations. So they're realizing that now. They're feeling the pains. We've had a couple of national disasters in the country. We've just recently felt this one here, which hit a big section of the IT community. You think about Silicon Valley, the second to it is the Northeast Corridor. So you're going to see tons of these studies coming out over the next months. We're going to know about that. Cloud-based disaster recovery, right? 2 words: business mobility. These are some of the buzzwords that we're hearing about nowadays. So if you when I think about this, and hopefully, and I want to test this here and see what you guys think, provides N+ locations for recovery. If you think about the cloud as the fabric, and you truly have application mobility, and it's not just I've outsourced my IT infrastructure to a colo or to I'll use my previous to a SunGard. I haven't just taken my application and put it in SunGard's data center. If I've actually took my application and put it into a cloud environment, that cloud environment is geographically dispersed, and that cloud environment itself has got compute, memory, and storage. It can be wherever it needs to be, and if I need to spawn additional copy, I can have, if my business partner says, hey, I'd like to have 3 copies of the data, you got it, clone, clone, clone. I got 3 copies of the data. Now the price is always going to be a consideration, but the capability is there is the point. The platform as a service with the cloud-based recovery, again, it exists where it needs to be. If you need to expand it, expand it. You take those 2 pieces, and what you've effectively done is eliminate the physical hardware link.